Initiating System 1. System 1 loaded.
Consistent with the President's directive towards freedom of information, faster delivery of government services, transparency, and good governance, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources through the Land Management Bureau developed a system called the Land Administration and Management System, or LAMS. LAMS Philippines will improve delivery of land-related services through automated land transactions, improve management of land records information by promoting transparency, accountability and integrity, improve access to integrated land information for better analysis, planning and decision-making, and improve land tenure security. LAMS has four major components, namely Public Land Application or PLA, inspection, verification and approval of surveys or IVAS, digital lodgement through the e-survey plan, and the Client Transaction Monitoring or CTM. PLA provides efficient storage, analysis and monitoring of all land applications. It prevents duplicate titles and maintains up-to-date information through linkage to the IVAS module of LAMS. Any citizen of this country over the age of 18 can apply for a public land application in the field offices of DENR. The application is evaluated, processed, and approved using the system. All application records are stored directly at the regional office, where they are linked to their respective lot record, being maintained by the Surveys Division. LAMS IVAS is a system designed for the tracking of the verification and approval process of land surveys at the DENR regional offices. It has special GIS functionalities to facilitate automated checks, which aid in the automated verification process. The IVAS process starts with digital submission of survey returns through Digital Land Survey Data, or DLSD, generated under the e-survey plan. The DLSD file can be uploaded at the kiosk or via internet through the e-survey plan. The DLSD file is uploaded at the front desk and forwarded to the verification and projection unit to validate the mathematical, textual, and spatial information to ensure that the surveys are consistent with the manual. On the last stage is the approval process. The approving officer will be asked to provide the survey number to be assigned. The status of the survey is then changed to approved, and the survey data is saved on the database of approved surveys of LAMS. Upon approval, the DCDB is updated with the new survey information. Digital Cadastral database provides the basic and authoritative layers of cadastral information, with all parcels and political information covering a municipality, city, or any political unit. DCDB cleansing shall involve and cover activities on data verification, correction, validation, and integration of all land records and information within LAMS Philippines in each region. DCDB validation module was created to avoid occurrence of gaps, overlaps, and erroneous land surveys. Preventable issuance of title. Discovery of incomplete or missing records. Accurate updating of plans and land titling status. Minimize, if not totally eradicate, fake plans and land titles. Establish a fully functioning DCDB as basis for land transactions, surveys, and titling activities. And in order to minimize red tape, corruption, or special favors, the first in first out or FIFO was implemented. User cannot choose any transaction to process. system will only allow to process a record from the FIFO queue, controlled by the transaction tracking system. Timeline notification, or warning system, is also implemented to strengthen monitoring in the region. Client transaction monitoring is a major innovation of LAMS Philippines that notify the clients on the status of their survey and public land applications through the kiosk, SMS, and web monitoring. LAMS kiosk is an IT equipment installed in all DENR regional offices that displays transparency of land transaction from clientele application for inquiry and digital land survey data submission for walk-in clients. SMS, or short messaging service system, is a LAMS feature that gives first-hand information to the client's transaction through system-generated text messages. Web monitoring is a tool that widens the coverage of CTM through LNB website. This allows direct and real-time management monitoring of land transactions. CTM eliminates personal contact with the clients and minimizes follow-ups. It will facilitate efficient and effective delivery of service at no cost to the public.
Ako po si Engineer Rahil Sadaba from Ramon Isabela. Dito po kasi sa Region 2, ako daw po ang kauna-unahang nagsubmit ng e-survey about yung sa DSLD, about sa e-survey programs ng LAMS. Napakadali po palang mag-submit. Very friendly po yung e-survey natin. Kahit doon sa encoding ng land data, pag napasok na sa kiosk, papasok na sa front desk, okay na po. Naka-encode na po lahat. So, maraming salamat po sa program ng LAMS sa e-survey.
No offense to you.